Yikes. All right. I should be back. So I have two mute buttons. One mute button was pushed. I wasn't not aware of it. Anyways, welcome. So what a movement we've had tonight already. Iran firing some more projectiles at the US, and US shoots them down. We get a spike down, boom, run all the way back up. We have the Kospi up right now, 116, Nikkei up 663 points. Oof. So spike down is because of Iran. So if we look, let's go over here. Let's go look. You can see right here. Military source denies Iran involvement in projectiles fired from other nations at targets in Saudi Arabia. But right down here, let's see. Let's see if it's red. Let's see where it's at. Iran fires ballistic missiles at U.S. bases in Jordan. This is what caused the market to go down. Oil shot up when that happened as well. I don't know if you guys saw oil. Oil took off on the move up higher. Let's go look at that real quick. CL. Crude oil, big move up off the highs, but still up $2.85 as we speak. So pretty good moves out there. You know, volatility is what we need in the markets. Hopefully, not another wild night like last night. And fortunately for me, which I'll show you guys here in a moment, we look at the NASDAQ right here. NASDAQ today, we talked about that little bit of a trap. We had that consolidation, pushed down during the New York session, ran it up. And again, I should have been playing this with micros this morning. If I would have been playing that with micros, man, it would have been so much better. But I do have, I have an MNQ on right here from tonight. I'm thinking about closing this out. Actually, I'm going to. That's it's gonna be over 200 points on that trade. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close that out. I'm gonna close that out. That adds to the P&L for the night. I didn't really expect this to get there that quick. Hey, Leo, what's up? Good night. Good evening. And if we do come over and we look at this chart, what we have right here, we're talking about this earlier on the stream as well. We have a little bit of gamma up here at 200. So if we could clear the 28,000, 200 is the next, gamma level kind of up here I'm watching. And we're right up there by it. If we do break down below though, there is a threat, 27,500. Yeah, nice win on the micro. I'm usually fairly good at the micros. I like them a lot. Push it. So we have the ES trying to break into 75 hundo here at the moment. And look, here's let's talk about the ES real quick. There are some levels that we talked about. Hey Mike, what's up? There are some levels that we were talking about in terms of structure breakdown. I did a video on this just the other day talking about structure breakdown points. And actually, if you guys do want to check out that video, show it some love, smash that like button, all that fun stuff, that would be greatly appreciated. But if not, that's cool too. Let me find the video for you. It's going to be right here. I think if you haven't watched it, I definitely think it's a video you guys should check it out. I'm going to go ahead and pin it in the comment section just to make sure we can find it. So check that video out. But nonetheless, if you look right here, what do we have, right? We have two different structure breakdown points. We have one here up to there. We talked about that this morning. And look, this morning in pre-market, we talked about that level. We almost made it there this afternoon before coming back down. This is one of the levels we talked about this morning. The secondary one up above that is going to be up here. And again, that's going to be up here at about 75.04 to about 75.08. That's the next stop. We start breaching that. We're probably going to go higher all the way for the 100% retracement. As when we pull a fib from the high to the low, if we break the 786, which is 75.01, then it really increases the probabilities we're going to do 100% retracement or more. So, stupid market. Yeah, market's actually my friend so far tonight. Knock on wood. Last night was horrible. This morning, struggled this morning. This morning wasn't as bad as last night, but still not good. No bueno. So, hopefully, I can get my act together so we don't have to deal with any of that mess. I could use an easy night tonight. I'd be very happy with that. I think so far, we count that micro trade. I fired off 4 trades. since the market opened. 1 on the ES, 2 on the NASDAQ, and then that M&Q and up 991 for the night. So pretty happy with that. Pretty happy. Can't complain. But I am curious. Let's go look at the gamma levels for the ES. Where's the, oops. What do we got for the gamma levels out there? Where's the high GEX levels? Huh. Yes. Bam. Let's go looky. No, I don't have any trades on now there. I just closed out that M&Q trade. Made about on one contract, made $450 on one M&Q. So if we go look at the ES, see what the gamma is over here on the ES. What do we have? I really want to look above us. What do we have for above us? All the way up here at 7,600. I don't know that we're going to make it quite up there. But we do have the Fed coming out tomorrow. So huge volatility on that. So, yeah, I was anticipating that M&Q trade to be able to build into it and then hold on to it overnight. But, yeah, punch protection team came in. Them jokers never come to my aid, though. Where were they last night and this morning when I needed them? Oh boy. So I do like the fact that in terms of for the buy side, I do like NASDAQ's up. We do have Cosby up. But when we look over here on the VWAPs, you know, we're a little bit high up here in the bands. Gotta be honest with you, a little bit up there. Kind of trying to reject off that second band. And same thing on the NASDAQ, which kind of makes sense. For a little retracement down. I don't want to go for too much if I do take a short. I want to keep it kind of close to the hip. Don't go crazy with it. Oil dropped hard, I think. No, Mechanoble oil went up. Look at oil. Oil shot up we had the news out that Iran shot missiles at Jordan, U.S. base in Jordan. Oil went rocketing up. Oil's still up $2.90. And if we look, where is it from the current price? How much is it down? From the high, it's down $1.18 roughly. ABK, good evening. Trader 007, what's up? Which I got to check my email. I don't think the winner from the Lucid account on Saturday ever emailed me back. I gave him 24 hours. Let me just double check real quick. Let's go check. Send the email. Respond back within 24 hours. Let's see. Let's go double check. Yeah, it wasn't you. No, it was Charles something. I posted on the community tab and everything. That's the bad thing about doing the giveaways in a video is trying to track the people down. It has gotten better since I started saying leave the first 3 letters of your email, and it's made it better, but still I have a hard time tracking people down sometimes. I had one guy email me back after 2 months. Hey, I saw that I won 2 months ago. Can I get my account? I was like, that account's long gone. I can't hold on to the account for 2 months for you. Sorry. So I usually give it about a 24-hour time limit to respond back. And let's see. I want to check my other email. Make sure I don't see it. Sent. No. I sent the email at yesterday at 7:31. So we might end up giving that account away today on stream, tonight on stream. I'm going to give it till 10:30, 11 o'clock. So I'll be well over 24 hours. I'll be 27 hours I gave them. So now I don't think the market's been tough the past few weeks. Last night and today, the problem was all me. Look, we're starting to pull back here a little bit. So I took the short. But what my problem has been, I've been looking for too big of a move. I've been trying to go for a bigger move. I'm up a couple $100 and I let the markets come down and stop me out. Send it your way. Yeah. Friday and yesterday were bad. Last night was horrible for me on stream. That was the most I've been down on stream. Probably the second worst night I've been down on stream ever. Not just the recent streams, I mean ever at night. That was pretty bad. And I was up several $100 on a couple trades. They let it come all the way back down and get me. So you better use it here. So I think if they do not respond back and we get that light counter up, I'm going to go ahead and we'll give that account away today. Watch, the person will email me right afterwards. Like, sorry, I said respond back in 24 hours. Oh, hold on 1 second. All right, I'm back. It looks like a tablet. Nah, it's just a little iPhone. I'm just a midget, so I make the phones look bigger. All right, I smashed the like button for myself. So it looks like I was lucky number 46. So lucky number 46 for me. I am. The iPhone's been growing. So we got to see how this is going to play out. I want to be careful of trying to go short. I like where we are up in the bands, but I've been looking for longs for the last few days and they've been eating my lunch. So let's see. Let's look at our retracement on the 4-hour chart from this week's high down to the low. We've already hit the 50% retracement. So can we rally up a little bit more, maybe 61.8 level or what? Red dot on the regression channel. Oh boy. Yeah, I don't have that. Hey, Leo, I don't have that. I don't have no bubbles. If I did, you know, I might be wanting to take a trade on it. We had 9 count up here, kind of went sideways, slightly pulling back. Yeah, I got to fix the thing. So Lucid right now is 30% off. The pro accounts were 40% off. Oh, Iran launched projectiles at the U.S. bases. And then now I'm seeing news that says Iranian state TV military source denies Iran involvement in projectiles fired from other nations at targets in Saudi Arabia. I don't hear about that in terms of U.S. military. IRGC fired multiple ballistic missiles from Iran at U.S. troops in the Middle East. That's when we got that yanked down earlier tonight. And yeah, but oil's still up, but hey, it's all fine now. We're all good. Nothing to worry about. Just a little projectile launching in the air. Hey, so tomorrow's going to be a big one. We have the Fed coming out, which, hey, we are going to have the afternoon stream tomorrow. So we have a morning stream tomorrow, afternoon stream. We have earnings tomorrow after the bell. So we'll get to be on stream for all that fun stuff. Microsoft, Meta, Robinhood, ARM, O'Reilly's, Qualcomm, Lamb, Chipotle. Tomorrow should be a big one. Then we get Apple on Thursday. Roblox, Reddit. We also get MasterCard, Rivian. I haven't looked at Rivian in forever. RIVN. What is Rivian? I haven't looked at a chart of that in ages. That's higher than where I thought it would be. Yeah, look, we had zones drawn out. ABC pattern projections, everything. And look, we got a pretty good nasty yank off that whenever I drew that out. Huh. Can't remember last time I looked at this chart. Yeah, SoFi. Well, something else I want to look at real quick. Remember last night I was a little gun ho, started smashing that button a little bit too early, so I'm trying to slow things down a bit tonight. I had that micro trade I got out of over 200 points on one M&Q. Good night. Good night. So today we had the Dow up 537 points, NASDAQ down 55, S&P up 15, Russell up 46. We did have more issues advancing than declining. And what about groups? Let's see what sectors were down. We had industrials down, utilities, energy, and technology. Energy is good being down. Technology, We did have financials up a little bit. And if we do look, I don't know if you guys saw this, if you guys track it. Talked about it this morning on the stream, but RSP, look, RSP, equal weight S&P 500, new all-time highs today. First time you pass an account, lying in bed and watching YouTube from your phone. Nice. Hey, good deal on that. So look, equal weight S&P 500 making new all-time highs. Then we come over and look at the SPY, not so much. Not even down at the anchored VWAP or the 38% retracement, where the Qs did make it to a 38% retracement. We get a little bit of a wick right there on that candle. So look at the 30-minute chart. You also see divergence setting up as we're making new lows. MACD indicator is not making new lows. Kind of wish I would have shorted up here. Kind of kicking myself here a little bit. I could have got a little something out of it. Yes, right off that second deviation band. Probably going to pull back just a bit. Same thing with the NASDAQ. Couple bars sideways. And we'll see if we pull back or not. A little bit fearful we might rip up. There goes the NASDAQ. Or no, that's the ES. New session highs on the ES. 75.01. Trade detector bubble as well. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. All right, Nikkei up 710 points. Cosby up 145. Yeah, what a pump. We start off with bad news and then whoop, right back up. So. Funny, funny, funny. The green bubble means to go long? Not necessarily. Hey, so a green bubble at the top of the move could signal, a little bit of exhaustion, get a quick little pullback, which look, that's exactly what happened right here. So if you're screaming on the way up and you see a bubble, we start coming back down below the bubble, look for a little counter trend move down. If we're screaming on the way down and you see a big bubble, red or green, and look for a little bounce back up the other way. So you'll see it quite often. And I don't want to change the bubble size for the New York session, but we'll see if we get any more out here tonight. U.S. bombing Iran, but the market could care less. Oil's caring. Oil's up $2.50. A lot of people are saying that, we're talking about peace talks, trying to get the price of oil down before the FOMC. I don't know. So the Fed isn't like, hey, we got to raise rates because oil, inflation, yada, yada, yada. So I am still favoring a little bit more upside, but not nearly. I don't feel as bullish tonight as I did last night or this morning. So I'm kind of like, tomorrow's going to be a big one with the Fed coming out. Let's see if we have any other news in the morning. Tomorrow. Yeah, early in the morning, no news. Crude oil inventory numbers at 10:30. And then we have the FOMC at 2 o'clock. I almost said Powell's going to talk at 2:30, but Walsh and the task force will be there with us at 2:30. So we'll see what that brings to us. Cosby's trying to come back here a little bit. Nikkei is pulling back a little bit as well. Short term, we did get to be oversold. See green background. Wouldn't mind going for a little short here. I don't know. I'm debating on this. do I want to take a little scalpy scalp to the sell side? Nothing crazy, just a little bit. All right, let's see. I jumped on this ES. Let's see if the ES is going to come down for me. Or is it going to be a big fat L? I want to go. I really favor the upside a little bit more. Not nearly as much as last night. Our short trades have been feeling neglected last couple days. So we have VWAP all the way down here. I'm not going for a complete return back to VWAP. Just open for a little bit of a pullback off this deviation bands. Let's see if we can get on down there. Get on down there. I'm not even looking for a big trade. Got to feel a 1 minute candle. Watch tonight, we just go straight up. Yeah, AK Poker, you gotta love it, right? We dipped down initially, then we came roaring back. Just want to say a little dip and then rip. A little dip, let me get filled, and then rip. There we go. Let's smack it. I like the fact this isn't coming down. I might end up bailing. I'm gonna bail. I don't like the fact that's not coming down. So it'll probably come down now that I'm out, but I really should have shorted it up here, not down at the lower regression channel. If anything, I should have went long at the lower regression channel, not short. So small loss on that one. That's all right though. Watch it dump all the way to the VWAP. VWAP on the NASDAQ is about 952. On the ES, about 73. Oh, it's already warm in here. There we go. That ES comes down. I'm going to be a little upset. Now, YM was strong today. If you guys looked at the Dow Jones had a good day out there today. Look at it. On the daily, it's not really looking that bad. It looks like it wants to go back up there and tag it. Yeah. Yes, it's starting to come back down too. Yeah, I can see it coming down. I would have been in the green at this point. Killed the trade early. I got scared. I had PTSD from last night. So that's all good. All good. I do use order flow. It's funny you say that. You're not referring to like footprint charts, are you? Like those? Or you're not referring to Bookmap, which I have that too. So yeah. It is easier for me to trade the order flow when I'm not on stream. Trying to focus on all the numbers and stream at the same time. A little bit more challenging. And I'm probably going to be able to do more of it once I get my monitors hooked up. I realize the stands I got for it aren't going to work, so I had to get new stands. I'm going to have to return the ones I already had. So I'm hoping this will be a better experience for all of us. So I'll be able to trade looking in front of me instead of trade over here and then go back over there and comment and, you know, it's hoping to make it better, more gooder. My chart locked. Oh, there it goes. See if I can get back what I lost on that ES at least. Gotta remember, do not go for a huge trade. Yeah, 28,200. Yeah, give me 1 second. I don't see it. Oh, dang it. That sucked. Took my eyes off for a minute. So we had liquidity here a little bit above it, 28,212, but they've pulled it. They pulled that liquidity. There's really nothing. 8 contracts at 200. 8 contracts. I have an 8K monitor right now. My 65-inch TV is 8K. But if I try to stream it, it's like all fuzzy. I don't know. It's weird. Then for the camera, it's trying to get a camera placement. So. Hey, look at the ES, man. I should have just held on to that. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. It's all good, though. We do have a 9 count over here on the NASDAQ. What about ES too? Nope. So we do have a 9 count. We are below the regression channel. We are, short-term oversold. The market has run up quite a bit, though. Yeah, I think that's the problem with it. Because it makes it hard. So I have to duplicate this. The screen you guys see right here is duplicated over here that I actually trade on. So I'm just wasting space by having duplicate charts. Feels like financial juice getting scammed with fake news. Come on, Joker. I don't need to. First 4 trades of the night, winners. Next 3 trades, losers. Fantastic. Well, hey, King to Castle, I already have them. The 57-inch ultra wide. I'm going to have them stacked like this and then still have my 32s on the side. I think. That's what I'm trying to get all set up. Then I can split on top to get the camera in between them. Because trying to put a camera all the way up on top of the 65-inch TV is kind of tough. So, it should look something like this. Let me see if I can find it. When it's all said and done. I don't know where it went. Did I delete it? Oh, no. There it is. Let's see if I can find it. Show you the look I'm kind of going for. What I'm hoping will play out anyways. So I'm trying to get it something like that. I don't know if you guys can see with the glare. Might be hard for you guys to see, but that's kind of what I'm going for. We'll see how it all works out. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Yeah, hey, I bought a King to Castle. I bought 2 stands for 2 separate ones. The one stand won't go up high enough to get it over the other one. So I'm like, dang it, I didn't think about that. So now I just bought 2 more stands tonight, waiting for them to come in. We'll see which one I keep. I hit my button. It was like 10 seconds later, my order goes in, or at least goes in where I can see it on the chart. That's weird. Got from Amazon, yeah. Come on, keep on pushing. The books are really, really thin too, so it'd be easy to rip this thing up. Not a lot of liquidity to really stop it. TV set. Oh no, that was a dual 57-inch ultra wide monitor setup. I'm going for. I don't have them set up yet. But I'm hoping I can segment out the screens to get it all set up. All right, hold on. Let me get out of this trade real quick, so I don't get messed up. But right there, I don't know if it's glared for you guys or not. But dang it. You gotta be kidding me. 5 winners, 5 losers. What's the luck of that? Unreal. Can you share the 9th count? Hey, Raj, talking about the indicator for it? The indicator for the 9 count. If you click on this video, Nightbot will post up. Yeah, click on that link right there. It's a download link right below that video. That was weird. Man, it's weird. I don't know if you guys are seeing on that screen or not. I hit my button. It's like 5 seconds and the order pops on the screen. That's weird. That is really weird. I should restart my computer today. I didn't restart my computer before the stream. I wonder if it's... Oh. I should look see how much RAM I'm using. I'm not using too much RAM. That's weird. What made you say no more minis? And just don't give us enough drawdown for it. So I thought about it. I was like, hey, if I wouldn't trade an account, if I wouldn't trade a live account with $2,000 in it with minis, why would I do it in a prop account? It makes no sense. So I quit doing it. I keep counts a lot longer. Like way longer. Your M&Q chart? Yeah, I don't know. It's weird. I feel like it's lag. I hit the button. It's like 5 seconds later, my order pops up. Maybe it's not 5. I don't know. It's definitely delayed. I don't know how much, but it's delayed. Hey, there we go. Couple little paper cuts for a nice little win. Let's go. Maybe a little bit more. All right, short term, we're getting to be overbought, so I'm just going to close it. I'm still down. I'm down from the session highs. I had a banger trade. I had over 200 points on the M&Q tonight. I closed that one out on stream with you guys. That was a really good trade. I didn't expect that one to hit till tonight. Wasn't expecting to be out of it while we're even on stream. So, hey, and depending on if the winner from Saturday's video emails me back before 11, we may be giving away that Lucid account. A lot of times people won't read their emails. I can't hold on to it forever. I gotta get rid of it. So, yeah, taking profit. Unlike last night and this morning, I get hard-headed sometimes. This morning, moral of the story today is I should have been trading that lows. I had a very good idea of what was going to happen in the market. I was trading with minis. Too tight of a stop loss. Stop. So, 20 hours. Hey, not yet. Oh, actually, at 7:30, it was 24 hours. I try to give a little grace period just to make sure. So if at 11 o'clock they haven't responded back and we have, let's say, 200 likes, we're going to give away that Lucid account tonight. We'll do a duck race to see who's going to win it. Look what I'm doing again. Why am I doing this? Why am I buying up there? That's not where I'd normally buy it. I don't know why I'm buying above the EMAs again. Oh, hey, Raj, I got that account to give away, not for me. It's not for me, it's to give away. I could probably use it, but I'd rather give it to somebody than use it. But I do have plans when I blow up, Raj. I got some big plans when I do blow up. I don't want to blow up, but once I do, I know what I'm going to do. I got some ideas. Yeah. Well, hey, Raphael. So now I'm going to put them all on the notepad every time. Put them on the notepad and then get it. Yeah, EMAs are cross different on the Renko chart versus the 1 minute or something like that. This Renko chart's way faster than a minute chart. Yeah. It's kind of moving kind of erratic. Look at the delta, lack thereof. It's almost like we're just skipping through prices. So I was having a hard time this morning. Hard trading. Trying to do the giveaway, deleting people's names. Oh, man. When you get the codes from the prop firms, are you allowed to use them? The ones from TPT I could use if I wanted to. Some of the codes I give away from TPT are from my own rewards. So I can't tell you how many 25K accounts I've given away from my rewards. I've given away quite a few of my own rewards, 25K accounts with TPT. So I've bought AJ Loves. I bought some before too. Can't remember if it was with Apex or somebody. I bought some and they gave me a bunch of codes. So I got the thing for ads set to the longest possible. Longest possibility I can put it on. Let me just make sure it didn't try to do some funky stuff and try to revert itself. Because every now and then, like one time it reverted itself to like every 4 minutes or something stupid. Let's see. Yeah, I would set the longest duration out there. So no, hey, my pretty accounts are ready. They've been ready since last week. I didn't realize it. I just found out today they've been set up since last week. So I figured with the FOMC coming out, I wasn't going to even try to set them up, so I'm not tempted. So I haven't messed with them. They're ready to go. I just haven't traded them. I can take a payout from them right now, but I'm not going to. I'm going to trade them for a little bit. My Tradeify accounts, I still haven't taken a payout from. They've been eligible for a payout for a little bit. I've been trying to build a little bit more of a buffer. I'm probably going to do it this week. Knock on wood, nothing bad happens. Now, I'd like to push it up a little bit more, get 20, 25K out of them before I request my payout, but we'll see. Yeah, dead start. Perdia, Mike, for a 100K account, $3,000 drawdown, $3,000 profit target. You can trade news, you can trade bots, all the other fun stuff. So it's the easiest account to pass. Then they move you live. You can get daily payouts from day number 1. So they are making some changes to the plan, which I'll know more about tomorrow. Yeah, 100K, 1 for 1. That's what's pretty good about it. And difference with Perdia is they're actually looking for live traders. So that's for the 100K account. So they're looking for live traders. No, it's Perdia. If you're looking for instant funding, Perdia probably has the best account. So no, 100K account, Mike. 100K. But you only have to make $3,000 to pass. So yeah. If you have, hey, what if I can I'll screenshot that. And we got a new secret indicator that was sent to me by Dollars. Dollars sent me this secret indicator. VWAP bands and everything. Are you guys ready for it? Bam. VWAP bands and DJT head and hair. I was laughing when I seen that. God. All right, let's do this. Maybe. Where are we at? Let's see if we're going to make a return back up to the highs. All right. ES has a high at 75.01. Think about going long the ES. Not sure yet, though. Yeah, 100K, 3K for 3K. 1 to 1. 1 to 1. Jesse, I think, is going to join us after he gets home. He's in California, so he's probably on his way home or eating dinner or something right now. I talked to him this evening or this late this afternoon. What did Atomic say? Oh, Blue Sky I know is I've never heard of Next Gen. Never heard of Next Gen. I've heard of Blue Sky. Blue Sky is actually in Florida, out of Florida. Oh, hey, T Coop. You know, it's funny when you say that. If we look at Spot Gamma, they had it a little bit different. Look, we'll rewind and look at Spot Gammas. Let me log in real quick. T Coop. So if I look at Spot Gamma, let's see what time it was. Here's Spot Gamma today. And look, right off the rip this morning, it was already ripping up. Right out of the gate, it was already ripping up. Then it ripped up a little bit again at the end. Yeah, it's only for instant funding on that. Hey, Apple, what's up? What's up? So again, if I don't get that email, we're going to be giving away that Lucid account today. I don't think the person's going to email me back. It's been past 24 hours since I sent the email. So let's see. So we get 200 likes and the person doesn't email me back, we're going to give that account away. I'm saying because that's the last Lucid code I have. Next Gen runs specials, free resets on evals till you pass. Hey, where's Next Gen from, Atomic? Because I've never heard of them. Yeah, Bob, my Gex levels change. The amount of gamma on them do. I don't know about the actual lines, but the gamma at each level changes. No, I don't have a Discord. No Discord. You have to sign up to the email list down below. First link in the description box down below. So. All right, I do want to go check something real quick. Really quick. Go double check on the Nikkei real quick. Nikkei still up. It came down a little bit. Only up 338. Cosby's pulled back. Actually, Cosby came all the way down, filling the gap. I'm kind of kicking myself. I shorted the ES up here, and I got out early for a small loss. And look, we're starting to go back down. Should have held on to it. And then the NASDAQ has a similar setup as well. Up here at the bands, get the rejection back down. I could have just even played it to this band right there. I just didn't take it. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. My levels are different. Oh, hey, Bob, I'm on their website. And what I like to look at is back here. So on the website, I can see the actual gamut. You can see it grow throughout the day. Like earlier today, this was down here at like 20 million or something. If I remember right. I more so look at where the levels are actually growing at than the actual taglines. Let's say Gex 1 or call resistance or all that fun stuff. One micro, 120 points. Oh man, good job on that, Raj. So we gave away 2 take profit trader accounts earlier today on stream. We got more accounts we're going to give away tomorrow. I'm hoping to do 2 more accounts tomorrow. I got to check and make sure I have enough accounts. So I want to be able to do account giveaways throughout the week. So yeah, fade trade worked well. I got scared out of it though, Raj. I chickened out. I should have held it, but so I'm going to wait. Hey, can we flip the regression channel back up? Start flipping it back up. It looks like it's going to flip. I'm going to start smacking it to the long side. If not, maybe I should look for a couple shorts in the meantime. Yeah, that'll be another chance. Oh, man. 3 out of the 4 resets. Ugh. Oh, hey, Benjamin, you were in the race. I put you in the race. You were in it. Hey, Bob, you have EOD selected. Look on the top right. You have EOD selected. What's my trade here? Hey, Bob, so right here, EOD or intraday? EOD, intraday. Oh, last reset. Okay. Dang it, I meant to put you in it too. I thought I did get you in it. I have to go back and check. If I let you out, I'm sorry. I'll make sure you're in it tomorrow. Or if you're on here tonight, if we do that Lucid account tonight, well, then we'll get you on that one. Yeah, I haven't heard any knocking tonight. I haven't heard none. Oh, you know what? My volume was down. Joker. Dang it. I can't believe I missed it. Here all night, every night. Yeah, hey, Benjamin, I know you're always hanging out with us. So I like to try to get you in the race. Yeah, let me get out of this trade real quick, Bob. I'll look at it. Regression channel is still sloping down. I'm kind of playing with fire here. Next one's in Dubai. Get it. Get it. Please. I think Funding X is over in Dubai too. Joker's gonna freaking get me. We got about 5 minutes to the top of the hour. Come on, let's get on up there. I should have took the 5 points. Dang it, strikes again. Guess I haven't learned my lesson yet. Yeah, barcoding a little bit. I was thinking we might try to pop back up a little bit. We might try to pop up. Let me see Bob's email. It's a little bit irritating that I did that. Hey Bob, both pictures you have EOD selected. Oh wait, no, I see the second one now. Sorry. Hey Bob, you have the NQ. I had the ES up. Of course they're gonna be different. Look, I was on the ES. ES. Yeah, probably going back towards the VWAP. I wouldn't be surprised. Trust me, with Zelensky went very well. The A55. Just looking. Looking through the news. Can't believe that, man. I started off good again. God, dang it. Stuff oil up $3. DK is only at 191. It's not good. It's coming on down. Cosby's up 80. We have the HSI could open up here in about a half hour. Yeah, we're probably going to touch that VWAP. So we look at NQ real quick. VWAP was kind of looking like we want to go down there. Kind of looks like we might want to go down there. Let's see if I can get a little something on that. See if we get a little something on the sell side. Oh, spread's pretty freaking wide right now. Or just widen out for a minute. Come on, a little bit more. VWAP's down at 965. I'll take that. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, I took a short trade. Woohoo! Let's see how far away the ES is. So I'm trying to pull it back here a little bit. Short term, we're coming into being oversold. We're not below the regression channel though, so I'm not going to swing at it. Oh, we do have some liquidity that popped up here on the NASDAQ. Right here, right about 20,070. So Trump had a very positive meeting with Bibi as well. So I really want to swing at it, but I'm going to wait. Hey, see you out of here. See you later. I think I looked at that one before, T-Coop. Let me see if that's the one I'm thinking of. Has big moves, but it's not worth a whole lot. Or at least it didn't used to be. Let's see. Is that the one? Oh, no, that's not the one. That's not the one I was thinking about. Not the one. My bad. Oh man, Eddie had a good night tonight. Let's go look at it. Eddie just sent in a little report card. Let's see. Nice. I'm not sure where this is going to pop up at. It's just, oops. Oh, it's going to pop up here. All right. I messed that one up. Let's try again. Show you guys Eddie's report card here in a moment. Let's. All right, let's look at Eddie's report card. Nice. 13 hundo tonight. It is a PA account from Apex, so funded account. Very good, very good. Good job, Eddie. Loving it. You guys are doing better than I am. I gotta take lessons from you guys. Be careful. I find myself wanting to push the button. I don't want to get in a situation like last night. Don't want to get another repeat of last night. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget, bink, smash that like button. Stop yourself from trading. I'm protecting myself from myself. All right, small little win there. Thank you very much. I'd like to be able to get back to session highs. I'm not too far away. One more decent trade, I could be there. Don't forget, we have the Fed coming out tomorrow. Hey, 200 likes, and I don't get the email from the winner of Saturday's video. We're going to be giving away that account. And I have to go look. What account is that actually? Is it the Pro or the Flex? Let's go see. Now, if you are on the stream, let me find it. I'll show you who it is. Yeah, it's the Pro account. Hey, so if you're on the stream, Charles, check your email. I sent you an email over 24 hours ago. You won. Just need you to email me back. So in the email, I said you got 24 hours. It's been a little bit longer than that. So. Hey, finite. I've only wanted to give up one time. Oh, and trading is very, very frustrating. But man, when I look at the opportunities, I had to keep trying. It's definitely harder than I thought it was going to be. Change your name to Charles. Only for tonight. Hey, just reply back to that email real quick and we're good. We can skip the whole duck race. Hey, King, good night. Catch you in the morning. Ooh, that's bad. Look at the regression channel right there. Not good. And then I move my target up. A good duck fight tonight. Something's jacked out. I really wish I would have reset my computer before the stream. It's like I hit the button and then boop, pops up. I don't understand what's going on there. Look at Bob's charts. Hey, Bob, they look the same. Hey, Bob, you got the same thing I got. And your next levels look exactly the same. Duck Fight Club. Where do I live? I live in Florida. Yeah, I'll be streaming in the morning. Yeah, Shark Capital of the World. And then I'm gonna stream in the afternoon as well. And the night. So tomorrow we'll have 3 streams. We're gonna stream all the way going into earnings tomorrow too. So we'll stream the Fed and then we'll stream the earnings coming out. If I lived in Costa Rica. Yeah, I did. It was a rough comeback last night. I had to start trading 2 contracts to get it back. I might have had a couple trades where I had 3 on, but most of the time sharks aren't going to mess with you. I still don't want to see them in the water, but that's part of it. Let's look at this NQ. It's going to make it all the way down to that VWAP. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Offshore waves. So I headed home on Thursday. Okay, pretty good little smackdown here. Let's go look. Nikkei right now is only up 15. Kospi's up 77. Yeah, 62. Oh, man, that's beautiful, Raj. Hey, Raj, you say you're buying that place? You're gonna let me go vacation there? Yeah, that's nice. We have the HSI coming on in about 22 minutes. So we'll see. I'm going to wait and see what happens at VWAP. What happens at VWAP? Yeah, that'd be pretty funny. Raj buys a place so I can stay there on vacation the whole year. No, I was at a swing trade long and it got out, made 200 points on the micro. Now look at the wick on that 4-hour candle. So, you up on the MNQ. Right about 969-ish. So let's all go shake out. Yeah, 1,000 profit. You request 500, correct? You can request half your profits. Yep. Hey, there's some liquidity up here on the ES that they pulled. How many contracts was that? 425 and 241. They yanked it. And over here on the NASDAQ, we have some liquidity. I think it's going to be a spoof order. 69. Interesting. Yeah, half your losses. Yeah, all the flex accounts, Bob, 50% consistency, meaning you can pass in 2 days. Hey, we're coming up on the opening price. Right back to opening price. So a big run up just to come back down. All for nothing. I'm kind of curious though. What about crude oil? Crude oil spiked up initially. So we're basically right there at VWAP. Man, I wish I would have took that trade. I called it out on the NASDAQ. I did not take it. Yeah, he passed in 2 days with a consistency rule in. Oh, hey, Bob, you said Lucid. With Lucid, yes. TBT is going to take you 5 days. We're just trying to pop a little bit. So we're basically right back down to VWAP. Yes is almost at VWAP as well. So do we get a bounce off VWAP or not? Hey, Mike, if you're on an Apex 25K, $3,000 profit and you qualify for a finite, I don't think I understand the question. Oh, wow. Look at the Nikkei. Nikkei took a dump. All right. Nikkei's down 195. New tariffs on China. Interesting. Dow's down 1 point. So we had a big rip up earlier. Only to give it all back. Hey, talk to you in the morning, BK. Thanks for hanging out. I'm going to give this a shot. I'm going to try to counter trend this real quick. Little poppy pop. Might get smacked here. I'll see if we're going to get a bounce here around the VWAP. Try to overtake it back again. No, it doesn't reset after you take a payout. The only way to get back the drawdown is to make more money. Let me look at that account. Is it a legacy account or the newer account? Because usually after you're over the buffer, you're good. And the daily payout is done. Or the daily drawdown, it resets every day. What if we're going to get over that 200 EMA right here? Go back towards the opening price at 962. If we get the 962, I'm probably going to kill the trade, I think. Unless we get there really quick. Come on, stupid market. I'm out. I closed it. Closed it. Try to save a couple ticks. Watch it rip. That would be funny. ES is pulled pretty far off the high, too. Look at the ES real quick. From the high up here, look at that trade detector bubble right there at the high. And we had the 27 points. And we had the friggin' bands up there, too. I don't know why I didn't take the trade. I don't know why. Yeah, 9 count down here on the ES. Ooh. 9 count down here on the NASDAQ. Below the regression channel. Coming into being oversold short term. I want 2 of these. All right, got a quick 5 points on that. I'm going to try for again if we come back down. Screw it. So I get another 5 points. Nope, lost. Come on, hit target. I got one off. Go a little bit more. A little bit more, please. Please and thank you. I think oil started going back up too. Oil's up 362. Anyway, how do we get our drawdown money if we blow up? We blow up a pro account. Oh, pro account, you can, pro plus, you can get money out. Pro account, you cannot. So you blow up a pro account, it's gone. Poof. Can't believe this. Really thought we were going to try to push a little bit more. Nikkei now down 327. Cosby's down 66 too. Yeah. I thought we were going to bounce up the VWAP. I was wrong. But I might try to put a micro on here. I'm going to try to play a micro. Let's see something real quick. For overnight. Huh. I'm not going to put the target out there yet, but I put one micro on. I'm going to try to shoot for over here. Pulls back. I'm going to DCA into it. Yeah. Hong Kong's going to be coming in about 14 minutes. But I don't like the fact that Cosby and Nikkei give it up. And come over here real quick. Look at the crude oil. Crude oil is almost back at session highs. So here's the one micro I got on. Woohoo, $20. $20. I had 200 on the one earlier. Closed it out while we are on stream, but it's been downhill since then. I don't know what's been up with me lately. I watched it go. I almost smacked it. I was like, stop it. Stop it. Yeah, not 600. Not yet, but it was up good. I mean, Cosby was up good. Nikkei was up good, and then we just gave it up. See if we can get a bounce off the EMA. If not, it's going to put me red. That'll suck. I want to go green to red again. All right, there we go. Oh, last email. Let's go check it. Oh, Bob's got a little... Oh, pretty good, Bob. Nice. Bob's beating me. Let's look at Bob's report card real quick. It's about 5:02. Oh, nice. Good job on that, Bob. Give it up, give it up, give it up. What time is it? 9:18. Kind of curious. What kind of retracement is that from the low? You know, if we do go back up here, this could set up a little ABC pattern up. If that low holds, target would be about 344, assuming we take out that high up there. I kind of don't mind it. I don't mind it. Mind it. Let's see. What's it gotta be? Can they push it? Can they push it? Trying to go back and overtake the VWAP here at the moment. Push it. Like the wick on the ES. Hey, look at the ES though. Well, that chirping's getting my attention. Then we go long. They're trying to suck me back in over here. Let's go look at something real quick. We're gonna be able to get the Cosby and Nikkei back green. We have 9 minutes until HSI opens back up. Let's see. What's it gotta be? Let's push that away. Wow, that one M and Q is up 75. Was up 80. Doing too shabby on that. Hopefully I can land another big one on that. That'd be nice. Very nice. Seem to be able to rip this bad boy. Can they rip it? Okay, I just went long again. Let's see. Here we go long. See if we can rip this bad boy up. Turn that regression channel around. See if we get back above the VWAP. We have VWAP at, yeah, right here at it. See if we can get a decent little win here. Right back to the opening price too. Let's hope we don't just chop around right here. Push through it. I'll probably get out before it gets to my target. I just got a placeholder up there. Yes, trying to go back up. All right, Nikkei trying to come back up a little bit. Cosby trying to go back up. And my NASDAQ's coming back down. Come on, you stupid market. Why can't the market just cooperate with me? Up about 113 on the 1 mini or 1 micro. Hey, here we go. So let's go. Let's get a little bit more. See if I can get a push back to session highs here. That would be nice. Very nice. Come on, a little bit more. Hope I'm not being greedy here. I got a little bit of hope given the fact that Nikkei is trying to bounce back up. Cosby got back green. HSI is going to look. It looks like HSI is going to gap up tonight. We have about 7 minutes. So let's see. Come on, just give me a little bit more. All right, give me a lot more. Instead of sim funded after you pass? Yeah, that'd be pretty nice too. I'm going to close it. I think I could get more out of it, but if I look right here, we are at the upper regression channel as well. So I don't want to tempt it. I do like the fact that the Nikkei is trying to come back here a little bit. Got a little flush down through that low, coming back up. Cosby, same thing, flush the low and whoop, trying to come up. I like that. I like that for some more potential upside movement. We overthrew VWAP, trying to reclaim it, get back above it. So I like it. I likes it. So here we dip below VWAP, boop, right back up above it. There we go. NQ, same thing. So I think we're getting ready to push that high real quick. Come on, just push it. Yeah. Come on, just go. This hits target. I think it'll put me at, I'll be close to session highs. Might put me over it. We gotta get up there first, though. Hey, just push your mouse button down, Bob. Hover over a candle and just push down on the wheel. Stupid market. Definitely Asia session. Hey, so remember right here, let me pull this chart up. I think we're going to try to retake this again. So if you look right here on the NASDAQ, we have a lot of gamma right here at 28,000. Look at all that gamma being built out there. I think we're going back there. At least I hope. Pretty please. Sugar on top. Yeah, new Ninja has a lockout feature built into it. So you don't have to go to Tradevate. Come on, Joker. Hey, Sods, good evening. Thanks for joining us. Those of you that haven't yet, smash that like button. If I don't get an email from the winner from Saturday by 10:45-ish, we're going to be doing that Lucid account giveaway tonight, assuming we get 200 likes. So do your part. Help me out. Smash that like button. Come on, push it, push it. There we go. All right, that puts me at new session highs. Holy crap. At least I didn't have to go red tonight yet. Did not go red, back at new session highs as we speak. Oh, hey, Bob, you're talking about this feature right here, right? Where you just push down like this. If I just push down on the mouse wheel, it just pops up. Like, don't roll it down, just push down on the mouse. Like, take the mouse wheel here and just push down. Yours doesn't. Let's see. Did you try on a regular 1 minute chart? Oh, hey, there it is. Hey, Bob, go to data series. Data series right there. Display in data box right there. Check that check mark. See if that's checked. If it's not, check it on like a 1 minute chart and see if it does it. Let's go check on oil when on that little push back up. Let's go check on good old crude oil. I'm trying to pull back a little bit. DK is up $1.43. Cosby's up 35. And the HSI is going to open up here in just about a little over a minute. Let's see how the HSI is going to open up. Looks like it's going to open up way up here. Nice support at 4,010. Oh, let's look. Maybe a little bit. Maybe a little bit. I think it wants to come down lower. It's going to revisit the swing points down here and then go to, then work its way all the way down towards 3823-ish down here. A high volume node is what I think. But we'll see if I'm right or wrong. Oh, man, I like it. Nikkei's up 53. Nikkei's on the move. I likes it. So we got about 20 seconds. HSI will be opened up. So let's see. Push, push, push. All right, here a little knocking. HSI opened up. You see HSI is up 194 points. And our market started coming down. We had a 9 count right here, right off the upper regression channel. Not bad. A little short. Anybody that took that? I did not. Hey, B-Devil, what's up? What's up? What's up? Good evening. I'm not long right now. I did take a short tonight. I did take a short trade while I was on stream. So. Actually, two of them. I shorted the ES and I chickened out and got out for a small loss. And it went down, would have hit my target. And then shorted the NASDAQ. So all good stuff. Good. Yeah, we had that nice pop-up. Yeah, see if it holds here, right at the VWAPs. So on the ES and NASDAQ, we're right here. ES right there, the VWAP, NASDAQ at VWAP. What about YM and Russell? Yeah, right there near it. See RTY? Yeah, kind of right there in the same area. Nikkei did go back red. And so did the Cosby. But HSI is up 299. Regression channel is 55 and the width is 3. So the period is 55, width being 3. Yeah, done for the night. Yeah, Eddie had a good night. 18-20. Good job. Eddie's out there slaying the markets. You son of a biscuit. Yeah, period 55 with 3 on the regression channel. I really like that too. Really thought that trade was going to work. I thought that was almost a guaranteed trade. That's what I get for thinking. Oh boy. I don't like it hanging down below my entry price. Feel a lot better if we can just pop up here a little bit. Even just a little bit. I guess the good news is definitely not as bad as yesterday. Lost 150K. Oh, that stinks. Sorry to hear that. There we go. There we go. I'm going to take it. New session highs on the night. So again, paper cut, bam. Problem was last night it was paper cut, bam. They went my arm. They were sawing right through bones and everything with the paper cuts last night. So definitely having my fair share of losses. More so than I'd like. But It is what it is. I can't believe it ran all the way up only to come down so far. I figure they try to hold it up a little bit more than what they have. HSI up 320, Nikkei down 68, Kospi down 27. Should we be going higher? Yeah, paper cuts were brutal last night. Even this morning, I had a pretty good pullback this morning on stream as well. But $75.49 ES. What am I seeing that? $75.49. Let's get it. No, I made all of it back last night. I think I closed out. I can't remember when we left the stream. I don't remember if I was up $400 or $500. I think when I went to bed, I was up 600. Took one more trade after stream. I think I only took one more after stream last night. I was still up last night till about 1:30 watching the markets and doing whatever else. I like the fact that oil's up $3 right now. $3.62. Hey, and tomorrow could be wild. You know, what's the Fed going to do? Is the Fed going to tank the markets tomorrow? Is it going to rally them? What's going to happen? We saw this liquidity on the NASDAQ. I think it's a spoof order. Right here, about 69. 202 contracts. Oh, no, I'm sorry. The Bookmap was moved over. Let me get back to current times. I lie. We had a little spoof order right here. 987, 801 contracts. Did not stay on the books very long. They quickly pulled it back off. Yeah, my wife has no interest in the markets. None. None. Which is probably a good thing. Last night she would have been like, clearly you see the market's going down. Why are you buying it? I'm like, you don't understand. This time's different. Yeah, but look, the trend's going down. Why are you buying? I don't need to hear it. Stop it. Leave me alone. So I think it's probably a good thing. I mean, it'd be neat to be able to talk to her, but at the same time, when you're having a bad day, be like, oh, why'd you do that? Clearly you can see. Yeah, I know. I'm an idiot. What else do you want me to say? I'm dumb. All right, we're good. Well, let's see you go place a trade. I mean, when you're not involved in the market, it is a lot easier to see the market. You didn't trade well tonight. I did decent tonight. I mean, I had some losses, but I don't know about that one, Mike. I disagree with that. Everybody's wrong. Men, women, doesn't matter. No such thing as never. Yeah, I know. I know you're just joking. Well, I mean, I assumed you were. I don't know, but I assumed. Yeah, keep your losses small so you can recover. That is the key. And the stream has helped me out with that tremendously. Back in the day, I had the $4,000 loss on stream. I felt like crap. I said, never again. Yeah, sleeping on the couch. Yeah, it is difficult to bounce back, Raj, after you lose 40%. I mean, you have you on a tight leash in the evals. So, yeah, I'm not really a fan of that. So HSI is looking good. Nikkei and Cosby are not. And the reason why this is going to be a problem, you know, chip stocks are going to be affected, or chip stocks affect these indices. Oh, hey, Raj, you don't even know how much I paid in commissions. Oh, my goodness. I looked at it. It was way more than you could even think. Way more. Way more. All right, Dow's down. NASDAQ's down. Yes, probably going back down. That was a lot. A lot in commissions. A lot. So, the fact that Cosby's going lower, Nikkei going lower, we's probably going lower. Are we going to come back down here and test out these overnight lows? So, I don't know. Short term, we did get to be oversold to see the green background, but we have the Fed tomorrow. Next target for shorting, probably down around 848. First deviation band on the NASDAQ. I think we're going a little bit lower here. So we get a little short trade. There we go. Target 1 on the sell side. Green is from Poland. Hey, what's up? What's up? Hey, David. New session highs again. All right. $27,841. Crude oil's coming back up towards session highs. So we shall see. Yeah, we had a pretty good spike up and they gave it up. They gave up the ghost. 2 micros, let's go. Wow, Nikkei's down 323 now. Cosby's down 156. Take out the lows. The new daily lows on the Cosby. Let's see. How far is that from the highs now? 37% from the highs. Ooh, that's a little haircut. How much was this pullback right over here? That was about 19%. That's quite the pullback we've been getting. Yeah, bulls are taking a nap. They're fattened up from a few months back. Hey, you get a reaction? Let's go look. We have another FEG right down here. Coming up on it here in a moment. Look like shitcoin. Yeah, that's pretty sick. All right, we're into that FEG. That green line is the midpoint. I can go ahead and delete that from today's opening range. Yep. Chips have the power to take other tech companies down. I really wanted to buy that down there. Look at the delta divergence. Look at that delta versus that delta versus that delta. As we're coming into being oversold. I didn't take it, but... And we had the FVG over here on the 5-minute. So... And we're at the lower regression channel. That's probably a trade I should have took. I'm really kicking myself for that ES trade. I was short the ES. I got out for a small loss. I was short up here. I got out for a small loss. Oh, I wanted to trade it down toward. I was going to get out before the VWAP. VWAP, and I ended up chickening out. Stupid. Yeah, what SanDisk closed down today? Let's go look at that. Where you at? I'm curious. SNDK. Wow, down another. Was down 14% today. Wow. Down to 2.26% right now. What about MU? Micron. Down 1.76% today. Oh, SpaceX. Oh, SpaceX was up. I think I'm up on my SpaceX shares. Or close to it. Yeah, MU is always down. Hey, Yoda, what's up? We're still trying to come down here. Hey, all four of the indices are in the red. Oh, were. ES just went green, one tick. Oh, look, Nikkei's down 401 now. Not good. Kospi down 175. HSI is still holding up. Not good. Not good. That's a pretty nice little knee jerk back down. We undid that whole big candle right there. We're working on undoing that whole entire move. Let's see the 786. Nice low to the high. Yeah, we're coming down towards it. Where's gold? Yeah, gold's down 14. Consumer hardware again? Yeah. I'm kind of kicking myself for not going long here. We had the 9 count down here and everything. Should I have done it? We still might do it. All right, that one got me. I get a little stretch away from the EMA again. I'm going to smack it. Good look out, J Loves. Yeah, smash the like button. Use code Mike at your favorite prop firm. Come on, a little bit more. Don't forget 200 likes, and if I don't get that email from the winner, their time has expired. We're gonna do another duck race tonight. Unofficial duck race. Who's gonna win that Lucid account? Let's double check. I still have not received an email from them, so. There we go. There we go. Small little win for mankind. New York. Hey, David, New York session's better, but there's still opportunities at night. Let you send me that email. Small, big, little win. Gotta love it. All of our indices are in the red. Wow, Nikkei's down 557. Kospi down 209. At least I feel a little bit better. I'm not in the red substantially like I was last night. We've had a range of what? Let's see how many points. Oh, 449 points already tonight. Wow. What about the ES? 51 points. Yeah, we're going to come down and probably sweep those lows. One bad trade, I'm green to red. Yeah, that's all it takes. We're at the first deviation band right now. Your algo hates me. Yeah, I don't normally see in the chat, so I don't think you're normally in the stream. So it's not an algo. You have to type in the key phrase. You gotta be signed up to the email list. Yeah, we're below the regression channel right now. Can't really smack it along here. We're below the channel. We're in oversold. I'm gonna swing it. See that delta? See the delta increasing? I'm gonna hope we get a little pop. We might not. We might go down, but that's why I bit. Oh, let's see. All right, there we go. Nice little win. Hey, crypto crackhead. Last stream you were on were probably a couple weeks back. It looks like the Power Hour stream. So you missed a lot of giveaways. Today we gave away 2 accounts in New York session. We're getting away a lot of accounts lately. We still plowing lower. This might get ugly tomorrow. Wow, Nikkei down 731. Kospi down 273. HSI still near session high. Kospi down 4.5. Nikkei down 1.2. Ooh, wee. Jeez, Louise. Say it ain't so. I haven't looked at the single stock futures yet. I do plan to look at them, but I've heard there's not a lot of volume on them yet. Get on the short trade. Hey, Mongo, I've taken a couple short trades tonight. I've taken a couple. Probably 4. One of them would have been a banger. I just chickened out. Didn't hold it long enough. Didn't hit my stop. I just chickened out, and then it would have been good. So. Let's see, right from the high. Look at the pullback. Man, this is tough. This is gonna be tough. For me to short we already just dropped 377 points. That's hard for me to short that. No bounce. Really? Look what we have down here. Trade detector bubble showing up. Oh boy. Oh boy. I want to smack it. Spread's friggin' huge right now. Spread is huge. Something's getting ready to come out or something. Iran's 3 oil tankers hit and halted in Straits of Hormuz after ignoring warnings. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. So Iran struck some tankers. And what did Trump already say? If you strike a tanker or shoot at another ship in the Straits, we're going to go after power plants and bridges. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oil didn't really shoot up there with that news. That news came out about 5 minutes ago. And I don't think oil shot up from that. Oops. Yeah, oil didn't really shoot up. Still pushing lows here. Yeah, Nikkei and Korea dragging us down. Look, Nikkei's down 853 points. Korea's down 4.38%. HSI is like, come on, guys, what's wrong? Let's go. Gap up and just keep on going. No red bars yet on the HSI. But could hit today's low, probably. That's a big range already. For tonight, 449 points. That's huge. Huge. Look, we're below that regression channel. This is feeling pretty ugly. I about want to counter trend this for a little pop back up. A little bit nervous though. That's a nasty rip down. And just get a little bounce. Just a little pop. There you go. $100. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I want the US to go attack him now. Three oil tankers hit and halted in the Straits. That's pretty insane. Better move up. I don't know. We got some problems going on. Finally starting to get a red bar in the HSI. Nikkei's down 1,000 now. Cosby's down 4.88%. Not looking good at all. Yeah, that's pretty nasty. I like where we're at down here, though. I like how we're getting the trade detector bubbles down here and everything. Huh. Doesn't mean we're going to pop, but we're going to get a little scalp. Not a big scalp, just a little scalp. Here's scalp, there scalp, everywhere scalp. I like that we're below the regression channel. Got quite a bit of buy bubbles down here on the move down. So I think we're getting close to a little pop. Yeah, I'm not going for complete trend reversal, just a little pop. There we go. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Market. I just realized my Dow chart is not moving. None of my market analyzers are moving. Quit moving. It was moving. Interesting. I rely on that quite a bit. I was like, how is a Dow? Which one is it here? I'm trying to figure out which data connections screw me over. There we go. All right. All right. Hmm. Separate team to do analysis, separate team to trade. You guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash that like button. 300 people in here and only 160 likes. 200 likes. We're going to try to do that giveaway here in a bit. It's a little bit better night for me tonight than last night. Dow's only down 46. Let's go look at the Nikkei, see if they're trying to bounce here a little bit at all. Oh yeah, Nikkei is trying to bounce a little bit. Down 794 right now. It's going to be funny if we run all the way back up. That would be funny. We're just kind of stuck in between this area. We had this big wide range. Right when you go to sleep. As soon as you walk away from the computer for a moment, all the activity happens. Lunch, bathroom break, whatever. Never fails. Yeah, it's ridiculous, Leo. I hate it too. It's like, that would have been the trade. That would have saved me. I could have got it back. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Coulda, woulda, shoulda does not pay the bills. Yeah, it's kind of funny how the market knows. Market's like, oh, they took their eyes off for a moment. Bink. Yeah, no sleep, no missed trades. Oh. Look at ES real quick. ES still way down here. Still good at finding the end of the trend. Not a big loss, but dang. No, hey, it's really difficult to get rid of bad habits. If you want to get rid of a bad habit, you got to replace it with something else. All right, come on. I want to smack this again. Maybe. Only want to smack it if it's going to be a win. I'll take it. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Market. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Watch it keep on ripping. I'm fine. It keeps on ripping. I'm fine. I'm not going to be upset. I will not be upset. I don't need to get the whole entire move. Just give me a little slice of it. Slice here, slice there. And I'm good. I forgot to check that. So... I do want to go check on the Korean market here in a moment. Let's go look. DK down 819. Cosby down 294. Let's go. I hope you won't fall asleep. You go to the fridge to cool off. Lay your head in the fridge or the freezer. First bearish FEG get inverted. All right, let's see. Give me push. Look right here now. Right here at the upper regression channel, bunch of bubbles. We get above them. They can squeeze them. People trying to short it. Squeeze them to pop up, but probably going to come back down at least a little bit here. I'm not going to take the trade. If I was, I'd want to short that. I'm not taking it. New York session all over again. I don't know. I'm doing a little bit better today than I did during the New York session. This is more gooder. More gooder. Yeah, I do think we want to push up. I'm just saying off here, I think we pull back first. Look, we're starting to pull back. Now, the question is, do we pull back instead of higher low? Instead of higher low and then rip through there. Then starting to flatten out the regression channel, starting to make it go flat, and then maybe start angling up. Then start smacking it on the long side. Yeah, this is second fall tonight. So we fell initially when there was reports that Iran shot ballistic missiles at the U.S. bases. Then we rallied up. And then we came all the way back down. Not all the way, but pretty good chunk of the way down. All right, we're trying to get above those bubbles. Let's see if we can spend some time up here. at the upper regression channel, starting to flatten it out here a bit. Yeah, attack's not well received. But what if the U.S. is going to go, hit the bridges and whatnot? Trump said from this point on, we'll see if he tacos out again or not. Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, he has been holding up a little bit better than NASDAQ. But and tomorrow we have the FOMC. So tomorrow morning I'm going to stream New York. And then we're going to stream the FOMC statement along all the way into the close with the earnings coming out. Ooh, yeah. I don't know if I can do all the way to the earnings. But we're going to stream tomorrow anyways. I can't remember if tomorrow or the next day I got an appointment. We got to see. I know I can stream to at least 4. I'll have to check. And then I'm going to stream tomorrow night too. Unless I really get my butt kicked tomorrow. Then we'll have to reevaluate the nightly stream. I might need to soak my wounds and cry all night. Figure you guys don't want to see me crying. So. Don't forget, as always, great time to smash the lucky like button. I like how we're trying to push up here. I likes it. I like it a little bit more if we can get this Nikkei to pop up a little bit more. Cosby to start lifting here a little bit. Full pack of Red Bulls. Yeah, watch out. Those Red Bulls give you wings. Yeah, hey, that's a hard thing to do. I suffer from that too. Hey, Chris, what's up? If I get down, I have a hard time stopping. I'm not good at that. I'm very rarely ever going to stop when I'm down. I'm going to keep trying to get it back. That's why I don't normally have a medium-sized down day. Usually it's barely down or it's a huge down day. Now, technically today was actually a down day for me. If you look at the P&L, it looked green today, which it was. But after commissions, I was down $17 from all the trades last night and today. So yeah, my broker is loving me today. So, fun fact. Mike, is your mic a little hot? Oh yeah, it is. Wow. What just happened? I didn't change anything. Let's see that. It does that every now and then. I don't know what's going on there. That should be better. I seen it was clipping. Thanks for letting me know. It was definitely clipping. It was pegging out red. Yeah. But I mean, at least, and I didn't trade anymore. I could have got it back. I saw that this afternoon I was down $17. I was like, you know what? I've learned this lesson over the years. If I'm down big, last night I was down big. And I did it again this morning. Down pretty decent. If I come back close to break even. Sometimes it's better just to stop because what you thought was a bad loss earlier in the day, night before, could be way worse. You're like, oh man, I wish I was only down that much. But I decided not to trade anymore this afternoon and just take my $17 loss. So I had about $1,400 in commissions. Oh, that's a sign that I way over traded. $1,400 in commissions. Fantastic. So. Now look, Cosby trying to turn back down. Yeah, Nikkei maybe a little bit as well. Market's trying to turn back here a bit. So we still haven't flattened out that regression channel yet. So that was a pretty decent angle sloping downward. Depends what I was trading. Micros are different than the minis. So I don't know. I'd have to look at the actual statement. Well, I did a lot of trades last night. A lot. I did a lot today. Like way too many. I even did a lot tonight already. But not nearly as much as I did last night. Am I live now? Unless I'm sleeping. What do you mean, am I live? Is this a live stream? Yes. Yeah, hey, Rajan, today, in all reality, as bad as it may have seemed, it kind of sucked. I've had way worse days. That's not even the worst of it. Like, I've had way worse. I've had days where you just don't come back. You just keep digging and digging and digging and digging and digging in. So I've taken some sell trades today, though. I've taken some sells today or tonight. So I'm pretty happy about that. I've been long and short tonight. I'm not trying to chase every little push away from the EMAs. So yeah, key is I did adhere to my stop loss. So we're trying to come back here. I'm assuming the stop tapping. Yeah, look at the Nikkei coming back down. Cosby took out the low. Cosby's down 6.5%. Yikes. This is some big moves. Look, we already did this earlier, but from the high up here, you're looking at almost 40%. Tapping a code. Saying, calling all buyers. Calling all buyers. It's from Market Pulse on part of Bookmap. It's correlated with the ES and NASDAQ. The faster you hear the sounds, the more aggressive they are. So if you hear knocking, that's more aggressive sellers. In the meter, I have the threshold set at 81. So minus 81 or positive 81. We'll start hearing the sounds. So let's look at SNDK. That's trading right now, right? Look, SanDisk is down almost 5% right now. MU Micron is down 3.6%. See, is AMD trading? AMD is down 1.56. Intel down 116, 127. Now, Apple's up. What about Nvidia? Nvidia's down 0.73. It's gonna get crushed tomorrow. Yeah, it might. I mean, that's what happens. You know, you go up on all that when we're going up, 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 up. Everyone's like, this is normal. It's not normal. You know, when we've seen the market run, this whole move up here was not normal. Now we're getting the correction. People thought we'd never get a correction. Oh, here we go. NASDAQ's already down over 10% from the high. So down 10.9%. So Nikkei is going to be going to lunch here shortly. But No, down, down, down isn't normal either, Jesse, but usually we get the down move finished a lot quicker than what we go up. But the funny part is, if you look at the SPY, daily. All right, let's move from the low all the way up to the all-time high, 20%. The average return on the S&P is 10% per year. So in a matter of 2 months, we do double what the average yearly return is. That's not normal. So we'll see if we can get a little bounce back up. And I do like this. Hey, we might have a little ABC pattern up here on the NASDAQ. If we can take out that B point right there. Target 893. Watch 893. I like that for the target. We got to break the B point for that to be a valid target, but I do like it. I'm going to try to aim for it. $893. I did it right when we're short-term overbought. Well, I think we're going to bounce here a little bit. So I'm going to front run this target right here. See if I can get it. This will be icing on the cake here. This will be that good. Just gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. I chickened out. That's fine. I chickened out. Buck. So I think Jesse said he's coming on. Hold on, let's see if I can get him.
What's up, everybody? Oh, Mike, you might be muted.
What a night tonight. Jesse's live now.
All right. What's up, everybody?
Jesse had to tell me I was muted.
Oh.
Yeah, Bob, I am.
What'd I miss? Hold on.
So ain't I glad I took that profit? I actually had a good night so far. Pretty pumped about it. Let's see. It's got another report card sent. Let's see who this is.
Another report card. Hey, Bob, what's up, dude?
Oh, I didn't come through though.
Yeah, having a nice evening's a lot better than the beatings we've been taking here lately, or at least me.
I was getting smoked the last 2 days. I had a good night Sunday night, and then it just went to crap. Look at Benjamin's. Man, he's killing it. And some of you guys put up some good numbers. 14 hundo on the night. Woo!
Nice.
It's in a pro account too.
Let's go.
That's a funded account.
Hey, John's here too. Good to see you, John.
Oh, hey, John. What's up? What's up?
Oh, Daryl says, tell us good news. I didn't got no good news, Daryl. No good news. I was an idiot today. Made a boo-boo. Mike, how many times over the last few months have I told you I'm not going to remote into my computer from work and trade anymore.
Yep.
Turn Jesse's mic up. Ah, crap. It did it again to me. Hold on, folks. Let me turn myself up.
Yeah, hey, Plum Trader, you can do that. That email will work. What'd you say you did?
Why does it? Yeah, my computer always turns it down. All right, is that better? I should be better now. All right, we should be good. Better? Okay.
I haven't hit that 893 yet.
Where was I? Oh, I don't need to tell the story. We all know Jesse's an idiot sometimes. Is that better, Dan? Okay, better. All right, sweet. Mike, since you had yourself clipping, make sure you didn't turn me way down too, huh?
No, I didn't turn you down. I just turned me down.
Okay.
Hey, it's kind of weird. Like every so often, my mic volume just goes through the roof. Yours goes down, mine goes up.
Yeah, weird, huh?
Yeah, I don't know. Ordered 2 more stands.
Oh, sweet.
And then I found out there's brackets I need for those special brackets for those monitors. I look at stand, it says does not come with this bracket. I'm like, what bracket are they talking about? Oops. Okay, I need 2 of those. I hope my wife ordered 2.
Oh, you better check.
That'll stink.
So anyways, I better tell the story. So I remote in. Had a pretty good morning this morning. Did about $1,000 on my new live accounts with TPT. And then after the market reopened at 6, I remoted in. And what did I do? I waited. It kind of went up. I think we gapped up a tiny bit, right? And then started dropping out. I started building into a micro long position. Kept moving my stop, adding micros. Anyways, I added up. I think I had 8 micros on that move. And I had a coworker come into my office. I had to quickly close the lid of the laptop and chit chat for 20 minutes. Oh,
as you're in a trade bag. This son of a beep leave.
I was dying. So I opened up the laptop real quick and I see that it barely stopped me out and then ripped up hundreds of points. Like, I mean, that was a huge move.
Golly.
It literally barely stopped me out. And now it didn't stop me out. It hit my daily loss limit because listen, remember I was telling you guys last night, they put me in the Pro Plus development account, which for a 150K sized account, it has a daily loss limit of $2,000. So that's probably good. I probably need that. That's okay. I agree with that. But here's the problem. They only give you a total loss limit of 2250.
Hey, I just thought about something. I know how to game it.
2250.
Hey, I know how to game it.
Well, it's too late to game it now. I only have $250.
No, it's not. It's not. I know a way you can get all your drawdown.
Okay.
Hey, so all you have to do, just do 1 micro every day for like 1.2 points. And after 60 days, you get all your drawdown.
Yeah. Yeah. Have them switch me back.
Yeah. Or you at least get like another $2,000 and you can trade normally.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Hey, it might work.
They've got a flaw in their logic. They shouldn't allow you to lose all but $250 of your drawdown. That's crazy. Yeah. Mike says he ain't doing that. Yeah, who's got 60 days, Mike? Come on.
I mean, I'd do it.
Unbelievable. I can't believe I did that. Yeah. Hey, Daryl says expensive conversation for sure, because I had all 3 accounts together. I had $3,000 of live real money, right? And that was gone. And that's gone now. What's funny is these accounts are only negative $900. So they're down $900, but I'm $250 away from blowing them because of the way the drawdown all worked out and all that.
How's that?
Don't know.
It's not intraday drawdown.
No, but it was end of day. So I had 1,000 something at the end of the day.
Yeah.
And then the new trade day started.
Yeah.
And I'm down.
You should have like $1,100.
No, The cash amount says
1200.
negative 938, 951, and 990. And then the available drawdown remaining is 226, 221, and 207.
Hey, I had this micro trade on. I put on earlier. Hey, I had a
really?
micro trade I took off. Hey, I put on when that crap was going on earlier. When we came back up, I got 200 points on it. Put another micro back on. Then I DCA'd into it down here somewhere. I'm up almost 200 bucks on it.
Nice.
2 micros. Yeah, I'm thinking about really holding this, maybe even all the way. I don't know. I may not want to get crazy with that, but think about I might get crazy and hold it all the way through the FOMC. I probably won't. Let's be honest.
So Brian says, hey, Brian, I don't trade like that, but you make a good point. 5 micros, 100 tick stop losses. You can do this. All right. I mean, I'll try it. I'm going to try it tomorrow, guys, but man.
5 micros, 100 ticks. That's one trade. One trade you lose, you're done.
No, but I'll spread it out. I'm going to do one at a time, but it's going to be a painful process. I might be able to recover, but man.
Ah, dang it, Paul. It sucks.
What happened?
It was close to passing 6 counts, blew them all.
Oh, crap.
I'm telling you that last little bit. I mean, I don't know if it's just me or you guys have the same issue. That last little bit. Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah. No.
Oh my goodness.
I agree.
It's not
DJ
good.
says if I can dig out a $100 drawdown to 800 plus, you can do it too. All right, guys. I'm gonna try. I mean, I was feeling pretty hopeless earlier, so thanks for cheering me up. Yay.
Yeah, hey Mike, I'm with you on that one. Mike says you shouldn't go over 3.
Yeah. No, I'm not even build back up. I'm just doing one at a time. I got to be real careful.
I mean, in all reality, you get a couple $100 back, you'd be good. Yeah,
it's gonna be tough. I gotta only look for A+ setups and only 1 micro at a time, and just take my time, I guess, the next few days of the week here.
Yeah.
Yeah, Paul, that's a bummer, man. I've been there. Hey, I just did it, pretty much. I mean, I got 200 bucks left, but oh man. So, anyways, so that's the bad news. Sorry to always have bad news every day, guys.
Hey, Eric says you got it right 15,000 times. I will never trade without a stop loss.
I had a stop, Eric. I just because my co-manager came into my office, I dragged it way down out of the way and then closed the laptop. Stupid. Hey, all right. So good news is I bought another Lucid eval tonight. Thanks, Mike, for that video. Hey, let's put a link to that video. Want me to do it, or you got it?
I can get it.
Excellent video. So I've got a new Lucid account, and I'm crushing tonight. So let's go. Let's go.
How much you up right now?
33.72.
Oh, wow.
All right, there's the video. Let's pin that bad boy. That's a good video. Now, to be fair, I watched that whole thing twice, and then I still chose the Lucid Pro, to be honest with everybody.
You did?
Yep.
Why?
Yep. There was a couple. I don't remember exactly why, but there was a couple reasons.
Because you can set all the same rules as a pro.
Except for there's a consistency rule on the eval.
Oh. Yeah,
and we all know that Jesse's been passing these Lucid $9,000 evals in one day recently. So let's keep it going.
So you're gonna try to pass it tomorrow?
I'm gonna try to get it. I mean, I'm already up 33. What'd I say? 33.72.
Hey Leo, so I was looking at that. Other people have talked about that. And oh, hold on a second.
Hey, Eric, that's a good point, Eric. But while Mike's doing his thing, let me tell a little story here. So when I have a blowout like that, it really makes me start second guessing myself. And then I got to go back to my actual exports of all my trades and kind of reassure myself that I'm not doing this. But when you say you'd be filthy rich if you could get your risk management in check, right? number one, I 100% agree. But number two, when this happens to me and I feel this sort of way, I start second guess my whole entire approach to trading. And I'm like, well, maybe I'm only making all this money and passing these accounts and doing 9K because I have no risk management, right? And that would be disastrous. So there's a lot of evaluating of my own stats and my trade exports that I got to do every time this happens to kind of reassure myself that I rarely do it, but every time I do it, it ends the same way. So why, right? Why am I that giraffe standing in the quicksand? Oh boy. Unbelievable. You can modify the eval to end of day or intraday. Yes, you can, but you cannot get rid of the 50% consistency.
Hey, but it has intraday once you're funded.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Ah. Kind of like TPT.
Yeah. And in the rapid with MFF.
Ah.
Nah, hey, Tommy doesn't. He doesn't swing for the fences. Hey, when you pass those 9,000, how many contracts you normally trade?
One, but to be fair, if I'm taking some heat and it's an A+ setup, I'll add a second. But realistically, 1 to 2 max. I've done that like 5 times in the last 2 weeks, so it's not like I'm swinging for the fences and and just gambling with those accounts. So my setups are good, my trade sizes are good. It's just when I become an idiot and go on tilt and something triggers me and I start moving stops and adding and blah blah blah, it never works out. So why the heck do I do it? That's the question.
Because you think it works out.
It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable.
Yeah, it's crazy how that works. Hey, Mike, he uses a 150K account.
Yeah, it's not even that we think. I think I speak for a lot of us, not just myself, but I don't think we think it works out. I think it's just that we refuse to lose a friggin' trade. We want to be right. We want to be right.
I don't know. I lost a lot last night and today.
No, you're really good at that, dude. Really good at that.
I only got good because of the stream.
Man,
The stream helped me out.
If I could mix my trading with your risk management, woo!
Hey, you can. Hey, only take trades on stream.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, it fixes it.
Uh-huh.
At least it did for me. All it took was that one bad day. And I was like, forget this stuff. I'm not doing it no more. I've tried for a long time to get rid of that habit. But then when I had that bad day, I was like, man, I feel like an idiot. I don't want to do that again.
Hey, Mr. Mike's burner. I know that the API rule, I learned that the hard way early last year. I only use a sim account as the leader when I'm copying trades. So that's not an issue for me because the trade copier only sends market orders on execution. So the stops and targets are not transmitted to Trade Evade over the API.
Yep.
Leo, I refuse to lose. I'm not a loser. Yeah, I have that same problem, Leo. The thing is, I am convinced that I can get myself over this last little hurdle if I can become a good loser.
That's it. So you know how to do that, right?
Yeah.
How?
Load up market replay and take loss after loss.
You just got to practice losing.
Yeah.
It's just not something that people want to do. They don't want to say, oh, let me go practice losing. Because losing is not fun.
No.
I mean, as fun as it made it look for you guys what I was doing the other day, last night and today, it's not fun. So 8 payouts in a row. Nice. Hey, good job, Benjamin.
Nice. Eric. You can tell, hey, I can always tell when Eric, by the way he writes a sentence, that he's been definitely effed over by something in the past. Hey, Eric, I'm not laughing at you, bro. I'm
laughing with you.
I can't tell you how many curse words.
Hey, he has back in the green.
Uh-oh.
What?
Hold on.
Oh, shoot. You guys got earthquake.
Oh, I just felt it. Oh, it just hit us. Holy smokes.
What?
Woo! Hold on, guys. I got to mute. I'll be right back.
This got earthquake. Hey, is that the bottom? Was the bottom the earthquake? Bam! Shook everything up. So let's go look. I guess California earthquake. I've never been through an earthquake here in Florida. Yeah, it says 4 miles. 10. Oh, so it happened at 1040. 4.3. I don't know if that's big or not. No, I've heard 7 and 8s, but how's a 4? Huh. Little bits. Yeah, I've never been through an earthquake ever. Been through a lot of hurricanes. No earthquakes. They're trying to rip it up. Look, we did get that ABC target that we mapped out right over here, so that was a good target. So we're gonna get that off the charts. And we do have the Nikkei at lunch. Let's go look at it though. Nikkei before it went to lunch trying to bounce up. Cosby's down 5.8%, still down by the low. HSI at 400. You're a hurricane magnet? Hey, we're almost at the VWAP right now. If we look at NQ, let's see, Mr. VWAP. Yeah, we're coming up towards it. ES, almost there. Well, hey, so I have on here, it says 4.3 in California. Yeah, 4.3. Yeah, it's nothing. Yeah, I don't know. I've never been through one. Never been through one. I did see the one that hit over in Bangkok back in the 2 or 3 years ago. You seen the pool on the high rise, water starts spilling out of it and stuff. That seemed pretty intense. But so the S&P is up 1 point. Dow's down 23, NASDAQ down 35, Russell down 3.5. So, no, I don't have a Discord. No Discord. Well, a fracking in Oklahoma, we get them quite frequently. Hey, Raj, good night. See you tomorrow. Be well rested for the FOMC coming out tomorrow. It's gonna be exciting. Do they unexpectedly raise rates? Which I haven't looked real quick. Let's look at the Fed watch tool. Let's just double check real quick. What are they pricing in? Let's see how the rates change. Rate projections. Yeah, 69% chance they're gonna leave rates the same. 30% chance they raise rates. We haven't seen that in a while. Usually the day before, it's like 99% chance we're doing whatever. Interesting. All right, we're trying to come back down here. I guess because I've never been in an earthquake, it just doesn't seem that scary. You know, you see it, oh, things shake, but I've never been in one. There's on 210 freeway in LA on. Your tire went flat. Holy crap, that's crazy. That's nuts. That is nuts. I don't know. Let's go look. There's a lot of consolidation down here. You think about it, a lot of consolidation. We tried to break down today, tried to break up. We're back right in it. We already have it on the NQ. Oh no, we don't. We deleted it. Let's good retracement back up. The 38% is up here at 933. But in all reality, this could be an ABC pattern up too. Here was the A to B leg. B to C leg was this. As long as we don't go below the low from tonight at 728, it could still be intact. Not looking so hot here at the moment, but all down to reality, it might. Look how thin that volume profile is tonight. Look, very, very thin. Easy up, easy down. All around. So. Yeah. How to get the kids settled in? Nice. Now, I think it'd be a little bit spooky being up in like in a skyscraper. And then you go into a massive earthquake. That might be pretty bad. China skyscrapers are made for huge. I still think I'd be nervous though. So, yeah, slow grind down again. Yeah, maybe. Hey, oil has come down a little bit. So oil shot up after they Iran launched some projectiles at us, U.S. bases, and then come right back down to VWAP now. We're only up $2.89. So we shall see. Market owes you a pop. Here we go. Trying to come back down. We are below the rising lower regression line right here. Coming in being short-term oversold. Do I dare look for a pop? Let's go look for a little 5-pointer. There you go. Quick little 5 points. Let's go. Price more gooder than last night. Flash floods in China. No, that's crazy. What time is it? Wow, 10:50 already. I'll see. We're going to try to rip back up. We still got the regression channel sloping upward. Do we get it on up? Is Apex 59, 100K over? No, their sales should still be going on for another day. Let's go look. Let's go looky. Yeah, it's still going on. $100K intraday drawdown, all in $59. Use code Mike. Sale ends tomorrow. What's my position? Yeah, craziest weather in 40 years. Yeah, Lucid now offers daily payouts. Has Lucid daily? That last little bit's the hardest. $200 away from payout or passing. Yeah, that's the worst. You get that last little bit, trying to push it to the finish line. Not good. Not good. Going to put the video reward for tomorrow. I don't know what you mean by that. Hey, DJ, what do you mean by that? Oh, who didn't claim it? We're going to check the email again.
All right, I'm back, everybody.
Hey, so how bad is that earthquake?
Okay, so that was that was a 4.6 magnitude. I don't know if you guys are aware of what that is, but
I don't know.
I mean, really bad would be like a 7 or an 8, but it all depends on how close it hits to you, right? And so this one just happened to be right in my backyard, and so it's not very often we actually can feel them. We get alerted of them all the time, but this was just big enough and just close enough to where it was shaking my monitors in my house. my house moved first, and then my monitors started swaying. I said,
Really?
Whoa. Yeah.
Shoot.
That was pretty good. I mean, a 4.6 that's literally within, the same amount of distance you drive to work is pretty good size. So
yeah, I've never been through an earthquake, so it doesn't seem scary to me because I've never been through one, but
yeah. Well, most theme parks have a simulator, and it's exactly like that. So it's pretty. If you've ever been on one of those, then you know what it's like. This one, and also there's different types of earthquakes. There's ones that are just like a sheer rip, and those just like a real big jolt. And then there's ones where the waves are like slow and like kind of rolling. It's hard to explain, but this was one of those slow rollers. It's like the whole land underneath me just went woo, 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 back and forth, real slow. Crazy.
That's weird.
Oh, Bob texted me. Hold on, let me write him.
Oh, the boss, have a good night. Oh yeah, you guys have a dog?
Yeah.
What does the dog do?
Yeah, they feel it first for sure, but she's not in the same room as me, so
They freak out though?
She doesn't freak out, but they'll give you a hint. Oftentimes, it depends on how far away. So if it's farther away, the dog gets it before the human does. But if it's real close, it kind of hits you both at the same time. I don't know if that... I mean, I don't know the science behind it, but this one was close enough to where she probably didn't really feel it all that much faster than I did. But that's true, Eric. Yeah, that's true.
Oh, hey, good job on that. I'm having a good night. The birds go crazy even faster.
Nice, Lee.
So if the birds are flying, they won't feel nothing. I see, but whoa, my vision's getting a little blurry.
I think if they're all chilling in the tree,
yeah,
they take off. They get airborne real quick whenever anything feels weird, I think. But anyways, I was in a short when all that happened, so thank goodness it came down.
In a short.
I closed it though in panic mode. It's not to my target yet, but whatever.
Just like going on a space shuttle. Oh man.
Oh wow, that's crazy, Coop. Where'd I leave off? let me find my bearings.
Whoa, earthquake.
Here. Yeah, that was nuts. You know what's crazy too is as soon as I saw that on my screen, I saw it said that it's a 4.6, and I knew right away that could something that size nearby can cause a bigger one to happen too. So that's why I wanted to go run around and make sure everybody was prepared. What's this market doing? Kind of slowed down here a little
slowed
bit.
Down way.
We've got a big old green bubble right here on my chart. Do you have that one too? Yeah, you've got it over there on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
I'm not hearing no Bookmap sounds, no nothing.
No, nothing.
I think it's probably, although I was going to say it's probably because tomorrow's a big day, but tonight.
That's some wild moves already tonight.
Yeah, exactly. Usually that doesn't happen the night before, but I think this is because, are we still in like a negative gamma situation on NQ? Probably. Let me see.
The chip stocks are smoking the markets.
Yeah.
They're not having a good time at all. I'm up big and I'm like, I don't know if I want to really risk it.
Yeah, we're still in negative gamma situation here on the NQ. That's part of the reason why it's just going to fly around until we can get stabilized, which probably isn't going to happen until we get through this week. We got, does the VIX expire this week too, or no?
Oh,
I forgot. Something's happening this week. I forgot what it was.
What's that bar?
Christine says, are you doing giveaways today? Christine, maybe. It depends on if somebody checks in or not by, what's the time limit, Mike?
What's that about now? I was gonna go look at it. I was gonna go looky. Oh, I don't know. We didn't get 250 likes. They didn't smash it. No, I think I said 200. I think I was gonna say 250, but I said 200. I don't think I want to trade anymore. I think I want to take my ball and go home, but we can do the giveaway still.
What are you up right now?
2,600.
Oh yeah, let's go.
So that means when the Fed comes out, hopefully I'll have a nice cushion. I don't have to force it. I can still have plenty of room to swing some if we're moving. Ooh, I gotta remember how to do this. All right, let's delete all these names from today. We got a lot of people in it today. All right, hey, just to know for the giveaway, you got to make sure you're signed up to the email list down below. Your email is confirmed. Otherwise, if you win, you will forfeit if I can't find you on the email list. Too bad, too sad. Let's see. So we got to log in the email real quick. 4-hour duck race.
That'd be fun.
That would be funny. Watch it go. Everyone gets a chance to get in first place before the final squeeze. All right, Nightbot. Tomorrow at 8 a.m. I will be streaming. We're gonna give away 2 take profit take profit trader accounts tomorrow as well. I gotta change the code up. What's it gonna be? All right.
I see some sporting equipment there, Apple. Does that mean you're in a trade? A good sized trade?
Oh boy. Is the Cosby still moving? Wow, Cosby's down another 7% right now. 7.7, almost 8%.
Wow.
Nikkei is not moving because it went to lunch.
When will they do they freeze it?
Yeah, until 11:30.
No, I mean if it gets down a certain percentage.
I think it's like 8 something. 8%, 8.5.
Ooh, it might halt.
It's 7.9% right now. Look at SanDisk. SanDisk after hours is down another 5%. Sounds come from Bookmap. It's correlated with the ES and NASDAQ. So I got the threshold set at 81, minus 81, positive 81. The faster the sound, the more aggressive the seller or the buyer. Chirping's buying, knocking is sellers. So it's pretty sick.
I got a target. I've been short here. My target's 793. Come on. Oh, target filled. Let's go, baby. All right. New total 43.15 on the night.
Oh, that's that Lucid account.
Lucid, brand new Lucid account. I got to get 9K to pass it. I'm not going to push it, but that's 3 trades, $4,300.
All right. Hey, we're going to do that Lucid giveaway. So remember, you got to be signed up to the email list down below. Your email's got to be confirmed. Otherwise, you forfeit. Too bad, too sad. I'm going to give out a key phrase. Spam the chat with the key phrase. Nightbot's going to pick out roughly 10 people. I'm going to pick out a handful of people that I see as regulars on here. And we're going to see whose ducks is going to be the fastest. So
let's do it.
Let's get out the key phrase. Key phrase is going to be Lucid Pro account. Boom.
Lucid Pro account. So copy and paste that, guys.
All right. DJ's number 1.
Paste send.
I'm not
paste,
putting it in the
send.
duck race. I'm going to put it in the sheet first.
In the sheet first. And then there you go.
That way, God, this morning was a horrible.
Mm-hmm.
A train wreck. I was trading like crap. I don't know, probably can't get lucid load.
Hey, and for all you people trying to get in, let's all pray that Mike gives Jesse a choice here, because we know I can pick a winner.
Yeah, lately.
I could pick a winner. It's
Mine's been beating you.
I'm about due.
And I can't get in lucid.
Really?
No, I can't log in. Hey, can you log into lucid?
I was in earlier. I bought this account.
I was in earlier. It's just spinning, unloading.
Let me try.
I need to be able to get in to get the code.
I'm in.
You are? You logged out, logged back in?
Yep.
Huh. Why is mine just spinning?
Let me refresh again and just make sure.
Oh, hey, just let me in. Hold on.
Okay.
Well, that's funny.
Ooh, good thing I got out of that thing. It kind of bounced off my target there.
Okay, so I did get in. All right. Let's pick the next winner. Next contestant, Brian. All right, hey, Jesse, I'll give you one pick. Who you got to pick?
One pick? I'm going to go with... How do you pronounce this name? Hold on, let me scroll up.
Yeah.
It's Prod or Prob? It's Prob something.
7755?
Oh, let me do the @ trick. No, it's Prab. P-R-A-B. Yeah, 7755. Yep.
All right.
That's my choice. All right, Prab, you're in. Let's go.
All right, Adam, you have a spot? I'm Diaz. All right. Let's see. Another one. Av White Boy, you have a spot? See this market rocking up. I'm not even upset. At least on that Rinko, it looks like it is. I guess we're still down 99.
Yeah, that is a pretty decent move.
It looks like it on the Rinko.
Oh, it's keep wow. Now, whoa, that is a straight up move. That's
because they know I can't trade it. Like, oh, he's busy. Let's go ahead and get moving.
Yeah, this is what the negative gamma situation gives us, folks. Nice little rip.
Eric Smith, you have a spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, Nightbot's gonna pick out one more contestant. Ooh, I can't even spell that name or read it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pick a handful of people out of the chat as well. So you guys can quit spamming the chat. Oh, I already see who I'm picking. J Loves, you have a spot. Gotta make sure I get Apple in here. Ooh, there's somebody else. Got screwed out of the race earlier. It was Benjamin.
Oh, David Snyder had a typo. You gotta let him in.
What do you mean a typo?
He was pasting in Sid Pro account. Oh, that sucks.
Trading game, you have a spot.
Sorry.
Quit moving.
If I would have saw that later, I would have picked you, dude. Sorry, man.
Trading game, there you go.
Or earlier, I meant.
Trading game, you have a spot. Benjamin, I got you in there. Ooh, spaces.
All right,
man, they're ripping this thing. All I can hear is, I'm like, it's making me like, it's giving me like, I can do one more trade, get the 3K.
Yeah, that move is huge.
I need to get that thought out of my head.
I'm gonna measure that actually. I'm curious. Let's see. Where's my drawing tools? Where's my ruler?
Roger Sam, you have a spot in the duck race. I don't know how many people I've picked. Hey, Alley Cat, you have a spot.
788 all the way to 866. Yeah.
Eric Smith, you have a spot. Or did you already get picked? Oh, let's see.
What is that showing this to me in ticks? No, let me change it to currency.
Oh, Pump Trader isn't there. I was like, man, I meant to put Trump. Oh, I almost forgot Apple. What am I doing? Almost forgot sports equipment. Golly, I can't believe that.
That's it. I choose price in order to see points. Yeah, 77.50. I think that's right.
El Munoz,
Munez.
Yeah, I can't say it.
Munez or Munoz?
I don't know.
I'm close. I know I'm close.
I have a speech problem though too. I had to take speech class when I was a kid.
Boy, it's still pumping. Woo! What a move.
Lambo, man. I'm going to put you in there.
So glad I got out of that short, man.
All right. Now we copied all these names. I don't know how many people we got in this duck race.
All right. You guys can stop putting it in the chat. We've got all the entries.
Names, edit.
If you didn't make it, there's always tomorrow and the next day and the next
Tomorrow I'm
day
giving
and the
away
next
two
day.
TPT accounts, New York session.
That's right. Tune in.
So another reason to come join us. Hang out. All the funness. All right, let's see who's gonna win this duck race. Who'd you pick again?
Prabs.
All right. On your marks. Get set. Beep. Oh, I hate that stupid sound. Get the duck sound go. Okay. Let's see. Who's it gonna be?
Nice one, Leo. Nice comeback.
Oh, I didn't see it. It was long. I was
down 1,200. Now only down 266.
That's good. It always feels good when you come back from a loss.
Yeah. All right. Let's watch this. Okay. I like that purple duck. That's J Love's.
Yeah. It's still too early in the race, though. I feel like whoever's out there, you guys aren't going to win.
Yeah.
You almost want your duck to be somewhere in the back.
In fact, I don't know if we've ever seen a gate to wire winner.
We have once.
Really?
Yeah. One duck. I was like, oh, you're not going to win. Whoop. And just stay out there. I was like, son of a gun. Wish I could pause it, make the screen bigger, but I'm afraid I'm going to miss the ducks. Oh, Apple's on the move. Oh, Jesse did not pick the winner again.
Dang it. Was I even close? Let's see the full results. All
right, let's see.
Come on. Where'd Prabs come in at? I'm on a dry spell here.
Yeah, you're close. You're 20th out of 22.
Oh, lovely. All right.
You almost got it. Good try. Maybe next time.
I tried, man.
Maybe next time. Oh, man.
All right. So another couple giveaways tomorrow, guys. If you didn't make it, make sure you come back. And then for the winner, let's go.
Hey, Apple, what's the first 3 letters of your email? Pulling back here a little bit.
Yeah, Hussey says Apple hit the NOS. I think so, man. That was a nice little.
Hey, he's been practicing. Yep, got him right there. All right. All right, Apple, I'm gonna send you one email just to do a little live 2FA, because once I send the code out, it's gone. I can't get it back. So make sure I got the right person. I'm pretty sure I do. Type in
Apple.
Type the number in the chat. Red Bull and Cialis. Oh boy. Now we're coming right back down. Look, short term being oversold.
Yeah, it's ping pong in these regression channels. Pretty good.
Hey, see you later, Chris. So we have the Nikkei coming back from lunch here at 11:30. Number one. All right.
Okay, so we got 16 more minutes. Let's see what happens. Oh, I got 43.15 on the night, guys. You think I can pass this thing today or tomorrow? I think I can do it. I've got faith. Okay, drifting down towards the bottom of the channel here. Let's see. Thank you, Spaces. I still don't know what the heck I'm going to do with $200 on those TPT accounts tomorrow. Ugh.
Not tomorrow.
Tomorrow night. Actually, I might not even, because I'm limited to 1 micro, I might just wait till the New York the following day and just, look for bigger moves.
All right, Apple, I sent you the code. Code has been sent.
Okay, finite says down 321 today and yesterday 1256. You were down 1256 yesterday? Yeah, hey, if you're surviving it, good job. I didn't. Coop says 4 minis should do it. Yeah, sure.
Hey, if you get it right, hey, it could be a banger.
Yeah, well, if it goes against me, what is that? 2 ticks? I'm done.
Don't you can't talk negative. Just gotta get it. Jeez Louise. All right, Apple, thanks for supporting the channel, coming out, hanging out with us. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys and gals. But just know, Jesse doesn't have what it takes to pick the winner anymore.
Yeah. Man, I got like 3 of them before and now nothing.
Just to say, though, I did pick Apple, so I picked the winner again. But just be fair, I picked like 10 people compared to your one.
Yeah, the odds are in your favor, my friend. Good job, DJ.
Trading late. I'm always trading late. I trade all the time. I don't know if I'm going to take another trade. If I see something really good, I got the little devil on my shoulder saying, Mike, you don't think you make another $400 to get $3,000? The other one's like, Mike, don't do it. Remember last night and this morning, you don't want to do it. Look at all the commissions you paid today. So I'm like, But I do want to see how the Nikkei reopens up. I got a feeling it's going to go down lower, given the fact that the Kospi is down 7.75%. I just don't have good hope for it. Hey, HSI is still trying to make new session highs. So
wait a minute. Let's talk about the difference between Kospi and HSI. I'm assuming the chips are all manufactured in the area of the world where the Kospi is located.
Well, Samsung's a big mover of the Kospi.
Gotcha.
It even looked like after hours. Like if you look at SanDisk, I guess now it trades 24 hours. Now $4 or 4.92%. Looking pre-market, it's already down here in new lows. Just horrible. What about AMD? AMD's down 1.31%. Intel down 1.64%. Micron down 3.7.
Big absorption on the buy side for ES, guys. If anybody's trading
Holy
ES.
crap. KLAC down 10% after hours.
What's that?
Woo-wee.
I don't even know what that is.
Oh, they had earnings out. That's why. I forgot they had earnings. That's craziness. Who else had earnings?
Finite. Yeah, I've done that before.
What?
Couple hundred points. Didn't take the profit. Came all the way back.
That's been my MO. Like, not hundreds of points, but I've been up decent the last 2 days and just not taking my profit. And that's a big problem.
I know. You can tell the people I was texting you. I was trying to send a virtual shock through the shock collar of the text messaging.
Yeah, we gotta change the batteries. Yeah, HSI is Hong Kong. Yeah, Kospi is Korea, and HSI is Hang Seng, Hong Kong. The green bar in the Rinko. This right here. That's just the market short-term oversold.
Yeah, that's not part of the Renko. That's a custom thing Mike wrote.
Ridiculous.
Wow, look at that dump.
Yeah, pretty good dump.
Right back down to the regression channel low there, almost. Jay Loves asks, Mike, are you going to call it an evening or are you going to keep trading?
If I see one more good trade, I might take it. But what I'm really waiting for is 11:30 when the Nikkei opens up. I want to see if it flushes down or if it tries to firm up. Is what I'm waiting for. I want to know the outcome. Leo says keep trading. Yeah, I don't know. I had a rough day last night. Last night, rough night. Today was pretty rough. I don't want to repeat. No bueno. And we got a big day tomorrow. We got 3 streams planned for tomorrow. New York, the FOMC, and then we have the Asia session stream. So we got a packed house for tomorrow. I really feel like it. Hey, 2K off the last trade. Nah, I don't know about that. I wouldn't hold it for. I can't say I wouldn't, but very unlikely I'd make 2K off of it. But got a 9 count down here on the 1 minute. See if the ES got one too. All right, ES got a bubble and a 9 count.
Yeah, Leo, I don't think you can trade news events on any prop firm.
Yeah, you can.
You sure?
Yep. Most of the, not the new daily account with Lucid, but all the other Lucid accounts you can. Prettia you can. Tradeify you can. Apex you can.
Wait a minute. Even in a funded account?
As long as it's not live, true live account.
Oh.
Some MFF accounts you can, some you can't.
That surprises me. I just always avoid news events, period. The major ones.
Yeah.
I never trade them.
I have to because I just take the worst rules of all the prop firms and apply it across all of them.
Yeah. That's what I've always done too. So I've never traded them.
Yeah.
I watch it happen and then I wait, and then I get involved.
So I'm waiting like 8 more minutes. I want to see what happens. What's it going to be? Yeah, Tradeify got rid of the micro scalping, and there's another rule they got rid of as well. No, hey, the account I trade right here in front of you guys is not all the prop accounts. So, who's the other guy? Oh, that's the other voice in my head. So when I say I always talk to myself, that's the other voice. I just have a microphone tapped in.
Mic number 2 over here.
Yeah. He's the one that says, put more contracts on. Get it. Make $1 million on this trade.
PTW says, I'm guessing that stands for Pacific. No, that wouldn't be that. What's that PTW stand for?
I don't know where you see it.
Winding up to make a move, just not sure which way it wants to go. Well, I've got a couple targets below us.
I say lower probably.
Yeah, so I've got here, I'll just call them out. I've got 758, 742, 729. Actually, another one just I skipped one. 766, what did I say? 758. Yeah, I like it.
Hey, everybody considers micro scalping a little bit different with the prop firms, but for the most part, trades that you get in and out really quick, usually 10 seconds or less. And some of them have it where you can't do it at all. Some of it's majority of your trades have to be longer than it. Majority of your profits have to come from trades longer than that. So,
all right, I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I'm short to 766. Let's see. I'm
Really?
FOMOing. This is probably not smart. At the bottom of the regression channel too.
I love it when we place a trade like, I know I shouldn't do this, but all right, here we go.
Hey, good night, Brian.
Hey, Brian, have a good night. See you in the morning. Hey, Mike, I don't remember Apex having a news rule ever. Maybe they did. I just don't remember it. And I don't really mind TPT's 5-day rule.
Hey, good question, Eric. I'm up $4,200 on the night, so I'm putting on some
5
risk.
minutes. Wow. 5 minutes is quite a bit. All right, let's go see. Look, we're trying to take out this little low right here.
Yeah, come on. Give me 766. They're trying to buy it right back up. Yeah. Not sure about this bad boy here.
I'll tell you, the ones that I'm the least sure about are the ones that usually work. I'm like, I don't really know. Boom, no heat.
We're also at this GEX 2 level too, though.
The ones where I'm like, yeah. How much TPT? 25K? I think $90.
Dude, I just noticed, I'm looking on the bigger chart. We've rejected this GEX 2 so many times tonight. Oh, and I'm short right here.
Oh, you got Apple? Awesome. Hey, so I have to get some more sports equipment out for the new account. Is the activation fee the same for 20? No, it's not. ATS, let's go over to Apex site and we'll look. Let's see if we can do this exercise together. So Apex, it looks like there's one more day left of the current sale for the legacy accounts. That's pretty good. So let's say, hey, is it intraday or EOD accounts that you're looking for? Either way, it won't matter. EOD, if you look at 25K account right here, click right here where it says performance account. Activation fee on 25K accounts, $99. 50K account. I hate when their site does that. 50K account, click right down there. And for the EOD accounts, $129. The intraday, I think, is a little bit cheaper. Yeah, intraday is $79 for the 50K, and 25K is $69. Yeah, a lot of people don't like that John guy.
I like Daryl a lot.
A lot of people don't like the John guy. He gets a lot of hate.
Yeah, no comment, but I like Daryl.
Oh, man, we got about 3 minutes until the come back from lunch.
Let's see. Are they going to rip it? Probably,
so.
because I'm short. Oh, there we go.
You know, the Kospi's down 8% right now. I wonder if we quit trading. I don't know. I don't see it moving. Let's see it 1 minute. It might have froze. Yeah, it's not moving. Oh, no, it is. South Korea reviewing ways to stabilize stock market. That's 1 hour ago. It's down 40%. They usually like to revert back to ban short selling.
ZX says, new trader, is Apex good or go back to Lucid? My opinion is, as a news trader, stick with the absolute cheapest accounts you can find.
Yeah, new trader, cheapest would be the best because you're going to blow up a lot.
Yeah, and you don't want to buy the accounts that charge you the activation fees are all inclusive, right? Because you don't know if you're going to pass yet. So the Apex is cheap because they don't include an activation fee.
Well, they have some that do.
They have some that do.
But have a choice.
My point is, don't pay the activation fee right up front unless you're sure you're going to pass, right?
Like, we're never sure.
Yeah.
We can think we're going to pass, but you never know. Just had a decent night.
I still got my target down there at 766. Let's go.
Probably gotta get it. Nikkei is gonna come back on here in about, what happened there? About 20 seconds. How do we know each other? I used to stream at night. He used to come to my stream every night. And we just became friends over the years.
Or have you seen that movie Identity?
No.
With John Cusack?
I haven't.
Oh, target filled, baby. Let's go. 4,900 on the night.
DK's out 1,100 now. Small little gap down here.
Okay, we got a couple more targets down here too. I'm FOMOing again. I'm probably an idiot.
Really? I'm down below my regression channel on the 1 minute too.
Yeah. I got another target though at 745. Let me bump that up a little bit.
All right, I went long.
I'm going 740, 43.
I said I was done trading. Here I am.
743, baby. Give it to me. Let's go.
Oh boy, just barely missed my target. Stupid market.
Stupid market.
I'm not looking for much here. Missed my target by a couple ticks.
I mean, if it's going to pop, it's going to get your 200 moving average at least, don't you think?
Nah, not necessarily. I'm just looking for 5 points. Oh boy, we're going to be placing a second trade here in a moment.
Oh boy.
You like Blue Sky? I've never traded with Blue Sky.
Me neither.
Oh, I got me.
It gotcha?
Yeah.
That means I'm close to target, probably.
Where's your target?
743.
Very close. Oh, shoot. I just see low of the day there. I didn't realize we're that close. Look at low of the day right here below it.
Yeah.
Son of a biscuit.
I've got that marked as an internal liquidity area, too.
Yeah, I don't like
Probably
that.
wants to smoke it.
Hmm.
Next target I got is way down here at 692. I wonder if I should just try to go for 692. Nah, we're probably going to reject this low a day. I don't want to get too crazy over here. I mean, just give me my 743 and I'll be happy.
Just like I hit my 200 real quick. Can I get back where I lost plus a few? There you go. I got back where I lost plus a little extra. Not much. Now I'm really done. Now I'm done. I got to quit hanging out with you. You're making me trade more.
Oh.
And it was like, as soon as you said I'm short, I'm like, we're behind this. You said, yeah, I'm short. I was like, all right, I got to fade it. If I didn't know you were short, I wouldn't have wanted to go long.
That's funny.
Like, I just gut instinct. I always want to do the opposite of what people do. I don't know why that is.
You're a contrarian.
Through and through, not just like, I don't know.
Dang, they got so close to my 743. Look at that.
Yeah, but look how low we were. Like, I don't know how you do that. I mean, I need to get a little bit more of that, but
we got that low down there. I've got another target on my chart that I like. There's a few things lining up for me. I'm still holding it. Let's see.
I really need about another $350. I'm not gonna do it though. I'm not gonna do it. Not doing it. Not doing it. At least not yet. I'm not doing it.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna jump off the stream here in a moment. I'm gonna go to bed. I got a long day tomorrow. We
Long
have the
day
Fed tomorrow. I'm up right now. I don't want to be down. I can end on a high note. So.
Yeah, no, we can go. Just my target's at 743. So you guys watch the market. You'll see you'll know what happens with my trade.
More importantly, where's the stop loss?
Stops way the heck up above this swing high at. Let me adjust it. Actually, I don't want to get taken out early. All right, this is a horrible R to R on this trade, but stops at 842. Targets at 743.
840. Holy crap.
Yeah. Well, I'm up 5K on the night. I can take some heat. That's all right.
Wow.
Risking it for the biscuit.
Hopefully you get the biscuit. All right, guys, I'm going to jump off. Hope you guys will join me tomorrow at 8 a.m. I'm going to be streaming New York. And then in the afternoon, we'll stream the FOMC. Then we'll stream tomorrow night as well. Tomorrow, we are going to be giving away 2 Take Profit Trader accounts. So hope you guys will come and join me in the morning. All right, guys, take care. Have a good night. See you guys tomorrow. Take care.